X. Okay. Okay, now we are going to make default GL accounts and profit centers. For profit centers, we can also go the alternate way of making master data and create dummy, delete active assignment of assign default profit center to accounts. This is also necessary for document splitting. T59X. Okay, we don't have any right now. We'll make this and then we'll make an entry. F42. F42, we have this setting. And let's open another session, FS00. Okay. T59X. And we have all the accounts. Petty expense. Okay. Anyways, let's give it a try. If we get any error, then we'll see. Control Y. Control C. T59X. New entries. Enter. Does not exist. Okay. 60,000. AA42. AA42. Okay, 60,000 is recon accounts. 60,000. Copy. T59X. I'm just copying it so that it copies all the settings and save. Okay, enter. Okay, 6200. 6200 is special GL local vendor. T59X. Save. T59X and enter. 8300. 8300 is tax, and tax is input sales tax. Double click. T59X and save. Enter. 80330. Double click. T59X. Save. And 80330 is also done. And we will save it. So now we are ready for front end activity. T59X. Okay, we have it here. Enter. Okay, now we are done with the configuration, and let's get down to passing on the entries, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. FB50 is the first one. Okay. Now, document date, copy, USD. We can change the currency if we have maintained the currency rates. Okay. 200 expense cash 3010 30201 debit 10101 credit 200 star. What will star do? I'll tell you later. I'll copy this narration and put it in assignment text, text, and enter. Posting period 02/2004 is not open. Okay. View details. So what do we do if period is not open? We will go to okay. Open and close posting periods. Open and close posting periods. And T59X or T48. T59X, it says 2023 and 1. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Enter. Save. Enter. Is not open. So we'll have to refresh this transaction again. FB50 /n is same session. Okay. 30201 10101 debit credit 200 star. Enter. Oh, we have made this mistake. KR48 company code T59X. Okay. 30201 debit credit 200 star. Oh, enter. Come on. Come on. Come on. It has managed to get stuck again. Let's wait. Or we'll refresh the server again. But this is how you actually pass on the entries. And for all this entry, we did all the configuration that you have seen. So you can see how much of configuration is required for a double line item entry. Okay. And since we've already made the master data for GLs, we've also made currency and valuation profile. Okay. We've made profit centers, and uh, apart from that, we've also assigned default profit centers to uh, default profit centers to GL accounts. Okay. So it's still not okay. So default profit centers are required for GLs. For that also helps in document splitting. Okay. So what we have actually created so far is company code controlling area, and in controlling area we've made profit centers, and in that, and in company code we have made chart of accounts, GLs, master data, and what else? Profit centers. And now, along the way, of course, in company, we have ledger, material ledger settings with currency and valuation profile, which is necessary for material master and material related entries. I'll have to refresh this server. Okay. Just a minute, I'll relog in. So, and of course, in this, we've also assigned uh, fiscal year variant, posting period variant. We've already seen that. Okay. And now what we'll actually look into is entries, financial statement version. We'll see that later. Mhm. Financial statement versions, and in entries, we'll see journal entries, auto entries, FB50. Okay, company code is T59X 30201 10101, debit, credit 200 star. Enter. In company code, number range is missing for year 2024. View details. Okay, number is missing. We go from here, customizing, and okay, copy to company code or copy to fiscal year. Copy to fiscal year, enter, and company code is T59X or 2023, 2024. Execute. Yes. No interval selected because it did not have any interval. So we'll check for the other one. Copy to company code. So we'll use another template, company code number ranges to copy the number range. Enter. And number is 2024 8842 P59X. Execute. No number range found for selection. Okay. Copy to the company code. Will use the fiscal year. Fiscal year is 2023 8842 T59X. Execute. Yes. Interval added. Now copy to fiscal year because it was 2023 number range. Now it will be transferred to company code is T59X. Source is 2023. Target is 2024. Execute. Yes. Interval added. Okay. Now we can pass on the entry if there are no other settings, which I guess will be there. But let's see. Press enter. No amount tolerance range entered. Just press enter. It is just a orange warning. Enter. Oh, define tolerance group for employees. Okay, tolerance group. Now, what is tolerance group? Basically, I'll tell you this. Company code, new entries, T59X. Now, group, we are just leaving it empty, so it is universal. Amount per document, which is upper limits for posting procedures, that a user or an employee can enter up to this amount. An open item, what is open item? Let me just give you a figure of that and how much discount and a user can give. Okay, so open item is basically vendor open item or customer open item. Means that for vendor open item, it means this much of vendor payable, whatever we owe to vendor can be paid at one time, not more than this. So this actually limits any malpractices. Okay. So you cannot actually allow users and employees to give favors to vendors or customers. And this is how you actually control leakages. Okay. Financial leakages. Okay. Tolerance group is made. Now we can pass on the entries. Hopefully. Enter. Enter. Entry is required for cost center for field account 30201. We don't have a cost center, right? So, okay, let's see. So this is how you remove errors. E59X. No values because we have not made any master data. So cost center. Okay, let's make one /O /OKS01. Okay. OKKS because we have to set the controlling area. Set controlling area T59X. Okay, KS01. T59X. Let the expense valid from 01/01/2023. Master data. Okay, 2023 01/01. Enter. And general expenses. Gym cost center category will be cost center category will be admin. Okay. Oh, I couldn't show you that. Okay. Cost center category is admin. Profit center. Okay. Central office. Oh, I couldn't actually show you that, but anyways. C01. Save. And hierarchy area. Okay. Standard hierarchy and EXP. Okay. Save. Oh. It does not exist. It's existing for 2024. Cancel. Yeah. Master data. Hierarchy area. Standard hierarchy. C01. Save. Cost center created. And EXP. Okay, enter. Cost element category for, oh goodness me. Okay. FS00. And it says 30201. Double click. Change the category of this. Primary. Control. And cost element category is 01. Now, what is cost element? We'll discuss this in the next one. Primary cost. Save. Enter. Oh, FB50. Three zero two zero one 10101. Debit. Credit. 200. EXP. Enter. Enter. Okay. This means balance equals 0. Debits and credits are all good. Post. Enter. Let's do it in the next one.